Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well and good, inshallah. Let's start our new video. So, today in our video, we are going to discuss some more parts of the house. We are going to discuss about غرفة الجلوس. غرفة الجلوس is, yes, it's drawing room. غرفة الجلوس means drawing room. Okay, so repeat with me. غرفة الجلوس. غرفة الجلوس. If you will repeat with me, you will learn the vocabulary easily, inshallah. غرفة الجلوس. Drawing room. Okay, so what are the things present in the drawing room? Arika, sofa. Arika, sofa. Arika, sofa. Sajjada, carpet. Sajjada, carpet. So, carpet is called sajjada. Minzada, minzada, center table. Minzada, center table. Let's repeat. Minzada, minzada, center table. Mukayyaf, air conditioner. Mukayyaf, air conditioner. Mukayyaf, mukayyaf, air conditioner. Satair, curtains. Satair, curtains. Satair. Okay, so let's move to the next part. Yes, it's غرفة الأكل. What is it? غرفة الأكل or غرفة الطعام. What is the meaning of غرفة الأكل? It's dining room. Yes, it's a dining room. Dining room has two names. غرفة الأكل. غرفة means room and akal means to eat. غرفة الأكل and غرفة الطعام. غرفة الطعام. غرفة means room and الطعام means food. غرفة الطعام. Let's repeat the words with me. غرفة الأكل. غرفة الطعام. مائدة. Maida means the table mat or the clothing spread, and we say it in Urdu, Dastahan. There is also a surah in Quran and Kareem named Suratul Maida. Yes, Suratul Maida. So Maida means table mat. Maida. Okay. Al-Wajabatus Salata. Salata means three and Wajabat means meals. Al-Wajabatus Salata means three meals. Okay, let's repeat. Al-Wajabatus Salata. Al-Wajabatus Salata. Three meals. And what are those three meals? Al-Futur, breakfast. Al-Ghada, lunch. Al-Asha, dinner. Okay, let's repeat again. Al-Futur, breakfast. Al-Futur, breakfast. Al-Ghada, lunch. Al-Ghada, lunch. Al-Asha, dinner. Al-Asha, dinner. So, it's the end of our video. Jazakumullahu khairan. Let's meet in the new video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.